bail Ijele. That is the big good news. But the bad news is that Ijele is right now on his way to Oka prison yard. That is the bad news. The moment an release Ijele from prison in Lagos, the standing order moved in immediately to go and face the charges against him by Daddy Hezekiah. You know the case of Daddy Hezekiah, of course. You know. So, while he was moving from Abuja prison to Lagos prison, Daddy Hezekiah has, is it Christ Apostolic Church or Living Faith Church or what? In Onisha, Daddy Hezekiah. Imanko Obolu, not that Mado or so. Yeah? So, there was an order from the court to take him into custody. Noka prison yard, waiting already. The moment he was released from Lagos, a PK immediately, T and a Black Maria, on his way to Oka prison. So, by this time tomorrow, Ijele will be in Oka prison yard. So, Matthias can feel free to go to Oka tomorrow and see Ijele na prison yard Oka do close to force headquarters. Yes, state CID. Yes. Remember what I said. There is a good news and there is a bad news. Now, Ndi Igbo Association, is it not enough for you people to say thank you to Evangelist Ebuka Obi? Eh? All thanks to Evangelist Ebuka Obi. All thanks to Evangelist Ebuka Nwanozie Obi, authority from Zion Ministry. He released the money needed to meet up with bail condition Ijele. Yes, he released everything needed to meet up with the bail condition Ijele. Are you shocked? Are you shocked? Eh? The rejected stone has later formed the chief cornerstone. Guide your tongue. Woli akaru wolu nedu we dushiono, run away from Okunoka. Have you seen? Now let me tell you, let me give you the shocking something you need to know. If you see Ijele now, you will not recognize him. Yes. If you see Ijele, you will not recognize him. Egosigodo video yegbaro no nya Ijele, you will not recognize him. The two kidney do already damaged. I am giving you the news as it is. The two kidney do already damaged. So bad. He is, if I am giving you a reliable report. If you see him, Osi go from mad poor, back into another thing. Now you will ask yourself, all those okumuku niile na ife niile aha na eko na mba niile aha na aba na isi niile aha na ane kenebe olidiri mmadụ. I'm asking you, judge by yourself. All those okumuku niile aha na eko na aba na ane isi. So it was empty after all. So all the people saying we are solidly behind you, they were never behind him after all. Remember, Ebuka Obi paid money needed by court. He gave the surety needed to get Ijele out. So he was released from the prison, but he was picked up immediately because now go a standing order waiting issued by court this side to take him into custody again and detain him in prison yard. Okay. So the news, the bad news, like I said, there is a good news and there's a bad news. Hello? I'm on live, get that. You wanna go? So I told you there's a good news and there's also a bad news. So the good news, like I said, is that Ijele is finally out of Lagos prison yard. Kudos. Wow. Made possible by who? by Evangelist Ebuka Nwanozie Obi. Authority in the Zion. He made it possible. That man will ezigbo obi. That man will ezigbo obi. Yeah, that man will ezigbo obi. Yeah? On will ezigbo obi. Okay, Austin ibe eme ifubo ife beba akwa umiti polimpo. Go and cry. In ebe obalasina anya na apota umu ifele emozu. Ubu onu kunubu. Unani nyegari sompoto. Simple action uneji activities at all. Ijele was in detention for over close to 6 months. Noise in a member will help him here. It has to take Ebuka Obi to also get him out of the detention. You gotta go to get him out of detention. Ndoka Christian ote na nchebelu. Odoke ma we comment right on time. Odoke ma no ote na ndewelu. How I wish they comment here. How I wish they comment here. This guy, Ndoka Christian, ote na ndewelu this guy. Ote na ndewelu this guy come comment here on my post again. Can we block oye? Shireke weji boyike. Oje obulo onwe buputa today. You gotta go. You gotta go. Tells home unafubo dife. Unafubo dife. Unafubo ife. Unafubo ife. It has to take Ebuka Obi to release the money needed out of mercy and compassion. Are you still going to say that he's not a good man? You can't say that he's not a good man. You gotta go. But like I said, there is an order issued by a competent court this side to get him into detention again. So, as it is now, everything go up. Bail condition. Lagos. Amazimo, another bail condition. Nkoka, yenye this time around. Anyway, you can say, they need somebody here with a property worth 20 billion in Onisha. Property worth 5 billion in Nnewi. And property worth 5 billion in Asaba. About Monye, ye with that one. Who will provide that one? Okunoka Adromma. Okunoka Adromma. So right now, he is on his way to Oka. He is on his way to Oka prison. So now, ndeni nona is here. Ndeni necessary, we are solidly behind you. Somebody ball flight. Jewa Abuja. Ijeko to very dark man. Today now, from tomorrow, or from next tomorrow, you don't need to take a flight to Lagos or Abuja to go and see Ijele. You can easily drive from Mpo to Oka prison to go and see him. He is now at your doorstep. He is now closer home. My worry is Ndi IPOB Nine not a prison here at the Oka. That is my worry. My worry. Ndi IPOB Nine not a prison here at the Oka. Ijele on a Polija. Ijele on a Polija. I pity for that guy. I am seriously pitying that guy. That guy no in for a long time. That the Hezekiah ya see a mini for the now. That the Hezekiah. That the Hezekiah. Daddy. Oh, but Okunoka the expensive. Okunoka the very expensive. What the night Bobble here now? What the night Bobble Hana Okunoka the very expensive. And that according to you, Neji home bacha consiebwe abadaka. You want to go? Eji home bacha consiebwe abadaka. If you bo hegi jirini, na ache go Okunoka. If you bo hegi jirini, ị na-acha ego ihe ejije court unu anọrụ na-enye mkpọtụ na-akwụ n'elu na-akwụtụ a na-eji unu na-enyegharị mkpọtụ why na-ịma n'ime onwe na onweghị ife ịchịrị anything, you don't have anything, you don't even have anybody. Ịdụka atụrụ enweghị onye nche, ịdụka atụrụ enweghị onye nche, nwa enweghị nne, nwa enweghị nna, na-eji aka ya adụ onwe ya ọdụ mara ife ife niile ka ada agwụ na agwa. Stay away from social media trouble. Stay away from social media trouble. Onwe ife iji social media validation eme hapụkwakwa maka ndị a na-epiogharịkwa na-enyegharị mkpọtụ mgbe ọ ya elejirikwa mma abịakwa ebe a kwuo na m kwuru ya ekwu. That is my own. Stay away from trouble. Okwu na ụka dị very expensive. Value the freedom you are enjoying today. It will cost you nothing to be humble. It will cost you nothing to respect people. Respect people. It will cost you nothing. Especially people you know that so after all this while, it has to take Evangelist Kobe to actually bring Ijele out. Yes, it has to take Ebukobi to bring Ijele out. Little did they know that something bigger and stronger is even waiting for him outside. Obano okpoko gburu ntishiri ye emako ebe mako mkpotu okpoko na-enye na ọ na-abịa mako okpoko na-abịa mako mkpotu na-enye na ọ na-abịa asị unu ụkpana unu obulu ọ ntishiri ụkpana ahụ because na noise ye na-abịa ka ụkpana ahụ ya awụ ọnụ ya ofefelu gbafuo ya ọtụrụkpọkpọ sịrị n'ụbọsị ọtụrụkpọkpọ sịrị n'ụbọsị aya akwa nne ye na ọ ya eji ọnụ turisicho isi niile nọ na nke ebe a owelu ụbọchị anyị akwa nne otuto wee tuo ya n'ọnụ otuto tuo ya n'ọnụ nwezi ifo mere. A typical example of what happened to all this ndị mkpọtụ niile anọ na Facebook. Ụnụ nwa arrest Ijele, ụnụ ya afife ya eme, Ijele ya eme nka, Ijele ya eme ụnụ nka, bla 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 bla. Arrest ya ya. Ijele will come out stronger 1 month to go. Ijele bla 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 2 months to go. I grant a bell. They all celebrated. Even Guru Igbo was writing up and down center. Now my comment section, he was repeating, yeah, the same message on a copy and a paste because I Guru award as the highest person name copy and paste na Facebook. When you make melu copy and paste na Facebook, carry a Guru Igbo. Copy and pasting ke on with the degree there. They misled that guy. That is the same thing actually made the very dark man. They started again with the very dark man. They have started again by telling you how powerful the very dark man is. They have started again by telling you how untouchable the very dark man is. They have started again by telling you that Nuneshena, very dark man who Ijele. They have started again. That was exactly how they made Ijele to forget his limit, to forget his level, to forget his class, to forget that this world will levels. You can't do, there's nothing you can do about it. There is nothing you can do about it. You gotta go. There's nothing you can do about it. Ndeduke moment of truth. Nyeri Ijele aka, we aware that he is a great force to reckon with. Now the moment of truth to bear, now your great force to reckon with could not even secure his bail. Yes. Your great force to reckon with could not even secure his bail. Your great force to reckon with has been broken into pieces. Barely 6 months in prison. But Ndi Igbo very strong since over 3 years and still very strong. Walking with his foot to the court. Very strong and smiling and waving at people. Are they going to show you his video again? Do you remember those days? Ijele Besha court na efaka na efelu ikuku aka. He said I challenge them now to seluka video here again na Facebook. How they quite selu video here again? Tigwa na Facebook kamfo. They can't do it anymore. They can't do it anymore. Sincerely, I pity that guy. I pity that guy. But when you hear me talking like this, understand that I have to talk like this so that other people who are awaiting the same fate will learn. Yes. When you hear me talking like this, you can say I am mocking Ijele. You can say I am celebrating whatever thing. It is your opinion. It is not mine. Simply because I try to do the very thing I believe in this life. I believe that prevention is better than cure. I believe that if we have prevented that problem in the first place, there won't even be need running around looking for how we can now sort out the issue. Even after we have failed to prevent that thing and that in Bido, there is still provision and room and enough room to get that thing settled within the first time Obidolu. Yes, Igbo promise. The only way you can stop seeing my post is to go and click on the block button. Yes. Only way you name hockey yes ofeke. Go, I'm teaching you now. I am teaching you now. Igbo promise. Promise in the bonye promise yo. Can make you get do so provoked ki we me. Go and click. Just click here. Unfollow me immediately or block one. That is the best way. You are not needed here anyway. You are not as intelligent as people on a page here. Eh? Mwa bingo doka. Can you not hear me? Eh? Can you not hear me? Mwa bingo doka. Ofeke. You want me? So you do so itty. You are so idiot in nature that you don't even know what you can do. You will say if you video man. Can you kiss with one in the first place? Did I come to your house to come and bring you to my page so that you can come and see me? Yeah? Did I bring you here? The Venus Shinon, so I am trying to increase my voice from next tomorrow now or from 3 days to come. Always something may go that you hear my voice on a kekweke more than 8 once because I've gone now all voice man they intimidate you. This is the only voice that scare you people away. So I have decided to buy something. Meju we mocha onuma mocha ko nu nwele eke mo ko gene. Ona fu bo dife umu ewu ona fu bo dife kam ko te ke fa bataluo mucha cho onuma kita onuma na ha ko gene onuma ya da ha ko gene mpoge puye oduka ya se na agbaire keliva na o speaker oduka ya se na agbaire ahoja speaker ona hebe niile ona afu bo dife no na this blue app it is me versus you people e block no se tienga jife ko duga master duga ko duga physically ko duga imi sie ko duga won guje de be jere no go na ya no eba una na belu nwo una nwere ego nje belu mmadu o we wuri belu onwe you go imi sie duga I will gladly show you the way to be general. You will go there and sit down. Okay, if you go either ways, there is something you can do. You can only sit down and listen to me. You can't even help to stop listening to me. Ijele is on his way to Oka prison. You don't have ego boss to go to Abuja to see him. You don't have ego boss to go to Lagos to see him. You can now easily enter Eastern Mass from Ebo Onenona. Lead to an Eastern Mass office. You don't even need to take bike or bus to prison yard Oka. You can walk from Eastern Mass to prison yard Oka to go and see him. Ijewekwo ego na mmanya bu alcohol. Ijewekwo ego ni fe bu sugar kanko. Gotaria cucumber. Gotaria watermelon. Ego tanada pineapple make mo no nwele osa. Gotaria banana. Onidirie. Gotaria yogurt. Onidirie. I'm telling you, siterie okwa. Onidirie, siterie ofotas. Onidirie. You will how wicked this guy is. Very recently, very dark man, he got the way. Ijele Gallo. We tried to caution him. And she from nowhere. Kiwe man and they need the email. How would they need the email? I was talking about the condition of the roads in Welu and Newu today. Did you see any of them to Biali Kwoku? Okay. I'm not going to see many now. Or Mogakona, Nkunu Melket or Honomokunu and Media. Because like this video and share this video. Like this video and share it. Share it. Share it. Share it. Unafubo dife. Ono siwe ege. Ezuga no wana gana. Either ways we buy here. I'm teaching you. Even they teaching you way 2 years we marry ife. The other go. Even they accusing you 8 years we marry ife. Ohangwa ukan na gwawu. Mane ya agota. Ohangwa ukan na gwawu. Mana problem wuni Ishe na nna agwawu mana ime ọ dị ife nna agwawu ife ya adọrọwo mma. Ịghọtago? Why na ha ya adọ happy? Peter Chukwuma. Ịchọrọ ọwụ na Ijele tigburu mmadụ iwe adọ happy. Ịya adọ happy na ọwụ na Ijele na kpụrụ ebe a pụta like a champion. Ịya adọ happy. Mmadụ aka anụrụ unu ife na Facebook. Mmadụ aka hụ na ịnụrụ unu ife na Facebook. Ife unu ji wee mechisichaa ọnụ. Ife unu ji wee mechisichaa ọnụ. Ọkwa maka na nke a na-ele ụnụ anị. Nke a nele ụlọ etu mamịrị si wee nị ọkụkọ. Yes na nke a nele ụlọ etu ma ife akụrụ ụlọ technical knockout. Biko ndị a na-report this video. The other go, I'm trying to do something now. I'm trying to do something. They are reporting this video. I will not allow them to succeed now. I guess you go woto ka haya dey nweta. Okay. I want to end this live program, but again, make sure you share this video massively because Hannah report to this video and Facebook even before I end this video, half like go this video. Now I want to better my program. Me talk on a like button, me talk on a love button. Share the program. Make sure you share that program. That is the only way ESR sustain if I name here. You gotta go. Yeah, that is the only way. Yes, when I sustain if I name here. So I'm going to go off and come back again because this particular one, they have reported this program and the Aflag go this video even before Meshaya. This is Empire. Only if you accuse him. Only if you accuse him. Na Mesha this time. You rather go. Afro, I can see that now what we are doing is getting to them, and I love it. Kega Messi object. This is Kega Messi will object. Okay. Ngwadum end there the video. On now end there the video. Kega Messi will object because I have seen that now already the video had to go flagged. This is here can mess with me. Okay. Kerive na ato no job. Kerive na ato no job. Even na report through video. Is that the new Onyaw the new approach? Onu take it now. Now the new approach. Onu take it now. Una agbatara ya n'ọsọ. Una agbatara ya n'ọsọ. Ha! Ifele unu na-eme m mkpọtụ niile unu nye m. Unu eseki onwe ha isi jere. It has to take evangelist Ebuka Obi. Okwute na ajụrụ ajụ mechalụ. Okwute na ajụrụ ajụ mechalụ. One of the chief cornerstone. Ifele unu na-eme m ụmụ nwoke n'ọnụ. A na-aza nwoke n'ọnụ. A na-aza nwoke n'ọnụ. Nwoke ewu n'ọnụ ka a na-aza ya. No action. Not even a single action. Not even a single action. Not even a single action. I will report a video now. Mara report so we for no passing. Okay. It has been. I have done something. Yeah. Let us continue. Because now, make sure you share this video. Make sure you share this video. Only share about this video. Share this video now. Metwaka na like and love button. May you massively now we are don't even relent. Metromaka na like and love button. Now we are don't even relent. You gotta go. That is the only way you can sustain us on air. Happen ha? Happy Iwaji. Yeah. So if you want to see Ijele, a lot of you has been. In fact, kita anebunate Anambra. Kita anebunate Anambra. Can me check is it the level of likeness? I will love to see people going to Oka. In fact, I would love to see Caprice in Oka Yado overpopulated with people coming to see him. Actually, can he put a banana? Can he put a bread? Can he put a foha? Can he put a fonubu? Can he put a fried rice? Can he put a unko? You got to go. And this is yes, I've sorted it out my own way. Yeah. Actually, unu load ife buru ye na abia. Yeah. Ka unu put more than enough that there will be too much to share to other inmates. Yes. Ushendi ke na do where is Matthias of Rozo. Yeah. Onye nke jere ime eye service ebe very dark man no. Yeah. O jere ime eye service ebe very dark man no. Ka o ma no ye wota number very dark man by abandon family here ba happy business here happy people on a couple ba plane jebe Abuja. So nyam before jere ime na Abuja. Nogido time court gachasịa court nyechasịa judgment owe bata ime court. Onye nke ahụ so n'ife a na-ekwu agị onye a na mmadụ adagị onye a na mmadụ onye ahụ esoro dị n'ife a na-ekwu ịghọtago onye ahụ wụ minus. Hello? You want to go? Share this video. Yeah? Sometimes. Yeah? Sometimes. It will take you nothing to learn what you don't know. Be humble to learn what you don't know. Be humble to learn what you don't know, because what you don't know is bigger than you. As to the Chapakwanam Casey, very dark man. Study chaye. The way this guy in Aga, the manner and the way in which this guy is operate, this guy cannot manaho the journey Ijele Aga today. When you are saying, because when I have one mad is you. So now we feel Burundi buy. The buyer you put out what is you. I like it that Jaike. You want to go now, Jaike. Now, Jaike. You will not do motivated. We not so your back. Yeah? Ije Magoro that the Hezekiah. Onye diligu. Ishi na that the Hezekiah with evangelist Ebukobi. Ishi na that the Hezekiah with evangelist Ebukobi. You got to go. It's not evangelist Ebukobi. You got to go. You got them mother. Ojuko wemenga. Nyana nwanyi nwanyi jiko wemenga. Hajiko wemenga. A call ye when I entertain on na Facebook. After the rain comes the storm. Yes. After the rain comes the storm. Freedom of speech is allowed, but freedom after speech, I don't know what else to tell you. You got to go even go. Freedom of speech is allowed, but freedom after speech, I must go me face to go ya. So don't think no way ya be super glue. The answer is no. You must stack. You must stack. Can you defend the people? That is where Odoyano wage dago. That is where Odoyano wage dago. So, as is going on Ndi Zion G Matthias. Sorry, Ndi Zion G Ijele. Evangelist Ebuko be out of his own magnanimity, out of his own church mind, out of his own ezigbo mmadụ. Make ena ego available. He has done within the space of 2 days. In fact, within 24 hours, he has done what has taken the right on. Nde, we are solidly behind you. Nde, we are with you. Nde, you are a great force to reckon with. Within 24 hours, Evangelist Ebukobi has done Ife Neriho Mume in 6 months. And it is a shame. It is very shameful. It is very shameful. It is very shameful. Ume Hada Gumba. They can have one program Ijele. They have forgotten about him. They have moved on to the next person. They have queued now behind the very dark man. Yes, they have queued behind the very dark man. Now, the video the very dark man posted through Bosia, Wona, of course, he has taken notice of the fact that court has warned him for the second time to stay away from Daddy Papa J. Now, he has switched now to NAFDAC. No, NAFDAC. 72 hours. This guy on Nigeria. This guy on Nigeria kokanatalofu. You know, the adverse effect of pride cannot be overemphasized. What pride? All pride ye megu. All pride ye megu. All pride ye madu. Unya hana zoyo pa n'ime ọnụ agụ. Ofuka agụ kpogebele ọnụ oyeju wee nwe. Fuka agụ debelu mbo oyeju wee doke. Wisdom will guide you to say, no, run away. No, but that pride will keep pushing you so that you can be entertaining little people now around you. You're not entertaining her. You're not entertaining her. You're not entertaining her. After the rain comes the storm. After the rain comes the storm. He is on his way. What I cannot tell you is that a favor of Ibuena flight. Matthias. He was given a VIP treatment. He was given a VIP treatment. That was actually the second or third time on our plane will travel. The first one India. You got to go. The second one, I cannot know when. But the third one, Wumba Habe may arrest. He was given the privilege and the honor of entering into local flight after how many years? I arrest here. Ebe I can know where my dukona. Akumodukolo obi mmadu. Akumodukolo obi mmadu. So, Abia arrest mmadu. Book warrior flight ticket. On a bada airpiece. Where you just over na Abuja. Ako. Mwele obi mmadu. Mwele obi mmadu. So, what I cannot tell you now is whether nor by bus, nor by Black Maria, Gabriel na plane, I cannot tell you. But what I can comfortably tell you is that when you call on him next tomorrow, na prison oka, you will see him there. Banana, cucumber, na ugo Ndezamba. Ndezamba I say cucumber. Banana, cucumber, asongu jego cucumber, ego na cucumber. Fiye gotarie cucumber, you gotarie cashew nut, okarisia wine. You gotarie cashew nut, you gotarie ground nut, asongu gotarie ground nut, gotarie ground nut. Even the Zambia na well nut, gotarie ground nut. You got to go to granite. You got to go. Only a who adoho made that granite. Only a who adoho need the ground nuts. You got to go. You got to here. Then you put here 10 cartons of Seraphic water because he needs to be taking a lot of water. He got to here 10 cartons of Seraphic water. Yeah. Until you get dalo is what I want them. He got to here 10 cartons of Seraphic water because only that level of self Ijele no keta. Ijele need Iri 5 liter gallon ko ye jakwa imiri no 5 liter gallon mo ne got to here basin o ye jakwa imiri no only the basin iji we na akwa imiri no onye meta nke egbu ogboye. Yes, onye meta nke egbu ogboye. It will cost you nothing to be humble. Ebukobi is this. Ebukobi Ozurora. Ebukobi Nka. When are people going to learn? When are people going to learn? Do you even know that now Okurora will opportunity of sending more than 50 people to prison? But he did not do that. Do you know? Do you know that Okurora will opportunity of sending more than 50 people to prison? You want to come to Facebook and start behaving anyhow? Yeah? I take a big in a papa is warm. Ono shock ono turn all this Facebook into a kind of environment I don't understand. You want to go? That is what you people want to do. Yeah? But thank God that na limit is setting. The moment you cross that line and limit, your body go tell you. Una na nyekwa mkpoto maka Ijele ta. Ahazima afo ebe a na-eti ahazima afo ebe a na-eme video na say there is no cause for alarm. We are on the matter. Una erie na egu eji we noro on that matter. Ege wotara unu suppose iji we noro on that matter. Una erie ne prophet out of his own magnanimity, out of his own good mind, in the spirit of Imeshi 100 days fasting. Because Ijele followed this 100 days fasting 100% from prison. Yes, he followed more than most of you. Ijele followed this 100 days fasting. If you want to know with our testimony, now this 100 days fasting, why is it that almost at the end of 100 days fasting, that was when yes, Chineke omesharafancha of sharafancha and okusharafancha metukwala omesharafancha haka owepupụta ego ukwu ego according to even nọrọ anụ nnebu ego ahụ na trailer wee bịa Ugochukwu Albert ifubo di ife unu afubo ife unu fuchi ife na Facebook a. Some of you will sit down and ask yourself, can ife kpatara njiwe bata Facebook e bia mmegeli? You will ask yourself that question. Eh? And Yoge, Evangelist Ebukobi do too good. He is too good. Who can do that? Or na something otherwise. I know how these guys will be all over Facebook making noise. Yes. I know how these guys will be all over Facebook. At the end of the day, all we go see from Zion, guess we be Ijele. All we go from ego see from seraphic water, unu neku, guess we be Ijele. All we go ndo unu se na ha do blind na ewota jere ewoje nu oka. All we go offering ahụ unu neku. All kwanya ka eji we lu ọrụ amala n'isi jere. So when next Madago effect and advantage of churches in Igbo Land. When next Madago ulu church bal na Igbo. When next Madago Oluoma Evangelist Ebukobi na alo na Zion Ministry. I will count Ijele. Ijele has been counted. He has been counted. Are you going to deny it? You are not going to deny it. Are you going to deny it? Eh? You can't deny it. All this same money, unu na-ekwu a na-ezu. This same money unu na-ekwu a na-eme. This same money unu na-ekwu a na-anapụ ndị mmadụ. This same money Ijele kwuru Ebukobi ji egwu wayo na-ezu ohi. All that same money ka eji wee bịa meet up with bail condition ye. N'aka unu niile dọsha. Na sentiweze niile unu wụ. Na upright people niile unu wụ. Unu enwenwughị ike meet up with bail condition ye. Unu enwenwughị ike ime. Unememuhe has to take Ebukobi to come and save you people. Little did you people know that Nankeka journey in Ishi. So Ijele has started another journey today. I told you there is a good news and there is a bad news. Now the good news is that he has finally been released at the mercy of Evangelist Ebukobi. But the bad news is that another journey started today. Me and you, we don't know how long this journey will take him. But let us watch and see what is going to happen. Now, gone are those days here, Ijele Biasha Court on Apple. You will see them showing you videos of how strong he is. I ask again, Ndene say video phone no bigo, camera phone no bigo. A prohibit the people. Each is the camera. Abba court. How yes and see video kita ka go see the mother that he will come out stronger. He's not looking okay now. He's not looking okay now. Oh no, in a very terrible and bad condition. Self-inflicted. Self-inflicted. Obulo mmadu meluye nwolonye melie. Kwa ile onwe ugwu na Facebook a ndị ọzọ na ha akwadowe kwakwa. Ndị ọzọ na ha were kwakwa ala. Ị na-akwado wedding. Knowing that now mgbe nwoke na-akwado wedding na the most tempting moment nwoke na-enwe. Instead ya concentrate ye prepare wedding ya na prepare. E pụta na Facebook na show no boss wedding ahụ. Na ya echegido ka eburu bịa ifa. Ayamani nọ na kirikiri. Ayamani nọ na kirikiri. Ọ na-enwe nwoke na-akwado wedding yọwa Chineke amala. Ị na-akpuo iteta ụra n'ụtụtụ na ị na-akwado wedding. Ọkụkọ chụrụ agha ọsọ ịgbaferu maka ịmụ ọnụ ọkụkọ ahụ opuru eze enu n'abalị. Ịghọtago? You decide ya na wedding ọ ya agba na news. You want people to hear your story. Ịchọrọ ka ịgba na news trend ya n'ụbọchị wedding ọ na-afọ ọgụ. Ịghọtago? N'ụfọdụ n'ụbọchị wedding na-echegidoro ka ịbịa chọọchị afọ ọgụ. Ma ọ niile eme wedding DSS bata n'ime church bịa whiskey away. You want that news to trend in Sahara Reporters. You want that news to trend in Facebook. Why can't you respect yourself? Ijele ka dogo mma. Ijele ka nwe mmadụ. Ijele ka nwe ngabasị. Yet etipia geti go ya basa ofu ebe. Gono kasi ngu obi. Nothing. Nde I stand with you we run away. They won't bring chiche. They won't bring shishi. They will not bring one kobo. Haye wota. Inono eba ta fufu ifi jaka umeta. Ono choro ko ono to no Facebook. Ko do ka ya na Facebook unye we respect, unye we regard for anybody na Facebook. Yeah? Ijele will close to 1 million followers. Where are all those followers? King of the game. King of the game. King of the game. Eh? King of the game. Undiluted truth. Ijele speak. Kelebe followers ni na ano. Kelebe followers ni na ano. All na followership you na Facebook on ATCV. Learn from this. All na followers ni na followership ni na you na Facebook. Open on ATCV. Learn from this. They will all run away. So none them will real followers, but you will not see them. You will not see it because you don't want to see it. If like as in lady. But we are the people who will the actual real followers, online and offline. Yeah? Online and offline, and I build this strong team because now we who na abwa. You gotta go. I build this strong team because of how consistent I do over the years. You gotta go. Now you will know why it pays to be consistent. So you change your originality. You will land yourself in trouble. Then you will understand that Namadi Wiru Abwa Joles Botanjo. You gotta go. Madi Wiru Abwa Joles Botanjo. You will lose more than you can gain. You will lose more than you will gain. Okenolo as the new appointed Minister for Information. You gotta go to be giving you that information as in the hot. So kita iwere go moto ijija Abuja. I understand that. You see from Abuja, Bune Nasarawa Kogono. Hey, is no teka. Hey, you know can eba moto need allergic to traveling. Ni eje Nasarawa. Ayi kwetara ekweta. Ebute Lagos. Hey, na mbamba. Keki yesi we ba moto. He has stored within these 6 months, he has toured many states more than anybody. You gotta go. Ebuje Lagos. Esemba no teka. Hey, kegi yesi we see seba. Kete ebunata nalogi na east. My fear and my concern is sieti kone na cell na prison side ebende IPOB no. Yes, that has always been my worry. Ibunate na prison yard by year. Because na majority of the IPOB no na prison yard by year. And they will be ha patayaka Nigeria ya do Ghana. He will wish no remain on Lagos. He will wish that no remain on Lagos. To cost you nothing to do the right thing. To cost you nothing. To give honor to whom honor is due. It is nature and everything fighting Ijele. Ijele decided some of you will still meet the fate of Ijele in different ways. You gotta go overnight. Decide they are not Jesus Christ in a tobo. Decide they are not Chukwu awolo no bo. On allow churu overnight, where tatande tell mano anya, on na hawe bo, no way bo, usoplu disappear. As in what a bunien na yelu, ngungo na ngungo. Oyokolo no oyokolo. Ayoshi anya. He confirm go kita no neme. He confirm go no neme. Go on Ijele off. Go on Ijele off. He said that you learn from what has happened to him, or be prepared to walk down the same way, and that includes the very dark man. That includes the very dark man. Watch here, stand there, somebody don't come on Facebook during the time of COS. Things like this are came if Obrora had decided to take a bold step. So many people can't find themselves in the position of Ijele, that they were allowed to walk away does not mean that na hamahona no onye ha na-eme ife decided to take that matter up. Some of them will end up in worse condition than Ijele. Yes, some of them will end up in worse condition than Ijele. Now, onye post to this thing, I wish that he can be advising people more, because now somehow body language go say no na support these people who made this thing na Facebook. Sometimes it is not all about your emotion. I keep saying it. Your emotion does not really count, because at a point your common sense will save you. Your common sense will guide you more than your emotion. Your emotion will always be there to mislead you, thinking that this world is all about you. I keep saying it. Before you speak, have to go the emotion. Apply sense. Use common sense. Nobody is above mistake. But dwelling in mistake, for saying this, or say no that I commit sin. But on I say, how long okay ya no na me amala we baloba dwelling in sin me ni bujezute dinela na agwoto na how long okay ya no na me amala we baloba go. I got this thing, I got this right up here. Go. And with this right up here from Maria Udewashi page. Go. Also, anything for content will land many in programs. Keep off legal cases, as money must be spent and freedom risk. Act responsibly. Mani Udema, she posted it, but through body language it seems like she keep encouraging this indiscipline for as long as not the church can appoint her. How I wish that this message, that she will take it genuinely and teach people how to respect other people. Teach people how to respect other people's belief. Yes, how I wish she can go, since we know that some cases in legal serious, stay away from it, because now ejiro onu etiazu no fe onwe holo yi eje na office volunteer lawyers na more than 50 lawyers volunteer onwe ha to stand with the very dark man. One day, strong 5 Psalms. In fact, they let Zion legal team to capable to dismantle even all those 50 lawyers. What does it mean? Even if you have free representation, does that mean that you will win that case? I'm asking you. Also, when you will not the whole lawyers in Nigeria team up against you, you can still lose that case if you don't have a good case. Yeah. So little thing should stop exciting you people. When you grow up to the level where little things will stop exciting you. Remember, I keep the reason pattern and name program, I will be referencing on the past. It's so that you will know the event of the past. You will see where we are today, so that you can be able to guide yourself and put yourself in a chain for tomorrow. Remember during the time of Ndi Igbo, the moment that the freeze Ukurogu, your people got excited. The moment the very dark man Ukurogu, your people got unnecessarily excited. Even that excitement, we keep telling you people, we kept on hammering that look how it is going to end. Did it end that way or not? Am I a seer? I am a fool. Unless if you are going to tell me that I am a fool tomorrow. We don't see tomorrow. But based on experiences and the Similar cases. I want somebody do good. Need that go history. I want somebody do good. Need they make a research. I want somebody do good. Need that do too many questions to people offline. That is part of the places I get my knowledge from. Sometimes when I say something, it will look odd to you, yet that is the truth. If you want to mislead people, that is why people easily get misled. No, stop pushing. You are strong. You are the first to reckon with. You are this. You are making us proud. We are solidly behind you. Solidarity forever. We shall always fight for right. Ishi to a nebu. Until Isiagu ha n'ime gather awashi poor enough that you cannot come out of it. That is the only time your sense will be activated full time. You want to go? We did it during the time of Kultur and Ndi Igbo. It happened the way we say it. We did it during the time of Matthias. It played out the way we said it. We did it again during the time of Ijele. It played out the way we said it. We did it again during the time of Eboni's and the Onyobudo. It played out the way we said it. Yes, we keep now advising two of whom again. As in a one no nyena agwu okiku anako one day. We keep advising them again. For the name ha na-eme ka bread malib. For the name ha na-eme ka bread malib. You want to go? And they beg it. Tokata, ikupu onwe na share. Iyakobata. Don't worry. Iyakobata. Indeed, the prison yard is a correctional facility called. Yes. Let us stop calling it prison. Call it a correctional facility. Your brain will be corrected. Iyenwe factory resetting. Yes. Iyenwe fact. Yeah, I restore your brain to the factory resetting. A boy had empty. If it was empty, where you fair girl. That is when you will learn. That is when you will learn. We keep advising them again. We keep advising and guiding the very dark man. Guiding him, advising him. You don't have any case. You will land yourself in trouble. You don't even have any case to present. That is why the judge Ijele issued another warning. There is no case to judge there. There is no case there at all. In case you want to bring, the court will simply throw it out. Any charges, any claim, you will win it like it is a walkover. You will win it like it is a walkover. Do they know about that? They don't know about that. Udoka Kerit, very good. I like your God. I like your God. Ama munke mankeshi nele fruit. You gotta go. Ama munke mankeshi nele fruit. On ele ma coconut. On ele the kind of fruit or hele mbo mankeshi. So I appreciate the fact that I appreciate your boldness that you love Ijele. But do well to visit mankeshi nele fruit n'Awka. You gotta go. Do well to visit Ofiako Kishin n'Awka. Do well to visit Roban store n'Awka. Go and buy something and go to the Awka correctional facility next tomorrow. Make sure they go during visiting hour. Don't go like Matthias Ijele court to city channel. Make sure that in Ijele during visiting hour, don't go there to take photos in front of Awka prison. It is risky to do so, as you may be mistaken to be one of the inmates. During the visiting time, so that you can be able to sit one-on-one with him and discuss with him. Explain to him and express to him how much you love him. Do it physical. Facebook. In all your love to him. It was somebody who hated him that bailed him out. If on a love game we see. In all the love unumwele born. In all they will stand with you unumwele. Okay, somebody who presume who know hate here. Wonye bell out. Let us even know onye bell when nanko on a genoka. Because I know that latest this week or next week another court we sit. Yes. Another court we sit. Then we will even know the details. That is when we will actually know the details. But one thing very important I must tell you people is, yes, Ijele have to go from prison, heading into another detention. But you people should not play around with his health. Form one group, men WhatsApp group, to one ego. Ijele need the dialysis always. Ijele need the missing dialysis here. It is risky for him to be missing dialysis. All the risky for him not to be taking his medications. You gotta go. So you people should try everything possible. Konofo not they meet up with his schedule of his treatment. That guy in a very messed up condition. I pity him. What will I do? On a man was you be mad. And we will be mad. But I hate to tell people I told you. Yes. And I may hate you say, but I warned you. You know what I go? And I may hate you say, but I warned you. Forget about the moment of truth to her. Those guys are all up to those guys are content creators. Those guys in our church, followers in Biaka, they want to grow their platforms. I believe one of the best way to grow their platforms is from coming through an unpopular opinion. You want to go? How if I believe it? It's from coming through an unpopular opinion. What is that unpopular opinion? You want to go? What is that unpopular opinion? From coming, for example, let me give you an instance. When Bobrisky looked deeper into the social media space, Owefuna, what should I do so that people will notice me? If I come through a popular opinion, well known by people, well accepted by people, people may not notice me because this is something they have been seeing. This is something that is not far from ordinary. He decided to come in through a very serious unpopular opinion that is not too popular to people, which is going to cross-dressing, walking that dressing and wine. And the moment he did it, he got your attention. James Brown did the same. A lot of them did the same. Now, the likes of here, they wanted to get the same attention. However, now Bible is a sacred book, holds sacred by a larger number of people. What must we do to get that recognition? Don't forget. Don't even misunderstand that recognition. Nwere ike nwa ofu onye ara no na roundabout ejukwa onye no bi mudin oso no mo onye ala okwo nke ana no na roundabout ejukwa onye no n'uru akụ oso yes no mo onye ala okwo nke ana no na roundabout. How is it that na nnewu niile mo onye ala ahụ mana ịgwa mmadụ maka one big electronic shop do na electronics ogba no ma he? What does it mean? They are taking that recognition people na-enye ha as if that it is something good, without knowing that na onyala, na people may notice onyala from even a distance. Even somebody says but for the first time today, we still take notice of that onyala. Let me use notice and not recognition. You got that? So when people take notice of them, they will think that it is for good. If a man don't know people, somebody will go off go but about you is what you don't know. So they decide to come in by going after that sacred book. Matthias did the same. Many of them did the same. But I keep asking them, does it mean that you don't want to get more popular? Dalo moha ndalakuba kolie ya kolie dalo uka alakuba koto seye n'ihu akwụkwọ. You will be more popular than even Dubai will know you, Saudi Arabia will know you, the world will know you, not just Nigeria. The only thing I can assure you is that you may not be alive to celebrate that fame. I assure you that. Yes. TP achọrọ m ịma nọ nke a ha na-ese na moto so na onyawo onyisi ndị alakụba ti nke ahụ ha na-ese ti ihe na Facebook kọtọ ya. The whole Nigeria will know about you within 24 hours. You don't want to be that popular. You don't need that kind of fame. You don't want people to know you that much. I dare you. I dare you. So that is all you people do. On our church cheap popularity. You want to grow your page. After you have grown your page, what next? Why can't you come in your original form? Stick to what you believe in. Stick to what you believe in. Yes, stick to what you believe in. It will make more way for you. I pity Ijele. Sometimes when I sit down, I will say, how can a young man who will dream? How can a young man who will dream? How can that man just sleep and wake up and decide to put himself in this kind of condition? Very avoidable something. Believe me, it is very avoidable. All you need to do is to use your sense. Forget about your ego. Your ego will mislead you more than anything in this life. Your ego will tell you that now, that you can come, you can even challenge Ibeton petrochemical industry. Forgetting there is logically no way that can ever happen. There is nothing logical, no way that can ever happen. But your ego will keep telling you, no, you can mash up with him. But your sense will tell you that this man can actually mentor you into becoming more wiser businessman, more wise as a businessman. That is what your sense will tell you. But your ego will speed up because your ego always wanted you to feel like you are special. Your ego will always want to make you feel like you are stronger than every other person. Your ego will always want to make you feel like you don't fear anybody. The art of I don't fear anybody has landed more people in trouble. The art of, not that I had right, but the moment you will begin to ask yourself, am I really right in what I am saying? Than trying to prove that you are strong and you don't fear anybody. Na ilo na asi na egwu ana ofo na ogwe nwelu mkpochi jide ofo jide ogu jide ofo jide ogu okali he tu a nwaga Friday accuracy daru ine the other go. You know, some of them always refuse to see the sense in the message we are passing. Ogo no we even say go na Jesus. Iwe ho ni Ijele Jesus nga. Enu go even neku. Owuru go no nwelu ri ife na ese go na Jesus. O na prison yard ke ya no go na ye we settle problem nu nwelu. Dunu free ka go na ye we settle. Ana ma jo. Owuru go no nwelu ife na ese go na onye nwaanyi. Do free wulu a free man ka go na ye we settle if I na ese go na. Akuno onwe gị ga anoma in shame. You want to go? Don't be in shame. Ka go na we settle other problem do alone. Onye afọ anya will not tell you this one. Onye afọ n'anya. We not tell you this one. On the Zambia say we not tell you this one. So ebudatana unu Ijele odunso. You want to go? Ebudatana unu Ijele odunso. Feel free to walk to Oka anytime you want. I mean, feel free to go to Oka. Take note. You want to go? You have to lead a 10-man committee comprising of Waja Ezoku Bondo as the head of the committee, Ejike Moment of Truth as the assistant of the committee. Guru Ezigbo will be one of the biggest financier. Like I'm just helping you out. I'm just helping you out so that you can. Why releasing him now? Has he perfected his bail condition? Frank Richmond, Evangelist Ebuko be out of self-pity. Nyeriaka will perfect his bail condition. You want to go? Let us spread that news. It is a good news. You want to? It is a good news. Now, Waja must be part of that committee. Must, I say on Gume, to take note. I say must. Waja must be part of that committee. Ejike Moment of Truth must be part of that committee. Guru Ezigbo will not only be part of that committee, but will contribute greatly in financing that committee. Yes. Also Ujiono Koyawo. Also master of keyboard Koyawo. On a keypad. On a copy they paste. I'm home no they just shiny for somewhere. Just in a copy in a day. Or your copy message paste into 700 platforms. Tag here into 1,000 places. He must not only be good in doing that. Let him also engage in more useful and meaningful something. So he must participate in that committee, both in financial aspects. Oscar must be part of that committee. Must. Mama 3G, Mama 3 girls. Plus, without action. You must participate. You must show us that strength of a woman in you. You must participate in this committee. Yes. Star Nze must be part of this committee. I said must. Then, always an election. Emana, Ebola, Ifo Joe, you will not mention the devil. So I don't need to mention Matthias as part of that committee because I assume gom na yana waja ya no the discourse so malonye ya wonyisi, but I know that na waja ya happen Matthias ko wonyisi this committee ona hozie other people semi members of that committee, but these people mention they must, I repeat, they must be part of this committee. Yes, Unejoka, Unejevi sit here down and discuss a way forward with him. Unujewoka, I am now. I want to help you people just like I've been helping before. Make will mob your man. It's only when you don't pay attention you will not understand how much of a good man. Let's remove Ushenegwatu from the committee, please. He's my person, just that he used to fall my hand sometimes. Ushenegwatu bidole daka. But even the sake on at that committee, Omoka very well. Oka with his territory. Omoka, and he can organize logistics, he can direct them, he can lead them. So he may not be the active member of that committee, but I want him to be the one guiding them. Kagali mistake here as one of the inmates. He got to go. Because when we can tell Madi you see a new prison or do how they may escape. He got to come Madi J. Ikele Anoko Lueba Dalung He got to when we can Madi you see where J. Brown or Lueba Dalung He. So this is basically the reason why I want Uchenna to and them and Uchenna na stamp you. So he can actually blow grammar and blow a door open. So let him just squeeze himself inside that committee. Not that no part of them, but just to give a touch of guiding here and there. They want to go. Now, unu jewe na prison here, they are very, very important. Unu ya try ya, joputa ego neji eme dialysis. Wonu na ego 10 sections, it is very important. Wonu na ego 10 sections. Visit yenu. Nwanyi amkpọrọ unu na-ele mkpụrụ isi n'ọka. Golunu enough mkpụrụ isi. Jee na ofia kukishin. Golunu nni akwara akasi. Jee na roban. Put motor aye buji ifa ju eju. That is the best way to start showing love to Ijele. Enough of all this social media noise aneme. It is not helping. It did not bail him in Lagos. It did not perfect his bail condition in Lagos. All those noise aneme. Now we will now know the nature of what he has gotten himself into again. Slow down. Ejo. Agwu nwayo. Esese hapu ki igbo mmadu. Ya zaliko obado na. This is the time is over. This is the time is over. Abon feme ji bofu comment gulu ezigbo here. Where is he? Oga grant Ijele bell. Ona akwụ n'enu ebe niile. Oduko ode na check 50 million debe somewhere. Ona akwụ n'enu ebe niile. Duko ode na check nye ha. Say ha biko unu ha. Launch here this money immediately. It will clear. Onwe ko si we do kpọnụ na phone. Let me call my bank manager. Ona ama n'enu. Eh? Odukwa so excited into unnecessary something here excited here. Today, where is he? Or he they make copy and paste into 500 different places. Is that 500 million? Is that 500,000? Is that even $500? He shall call they make copy and paste. He just be copy save for you. Before I'm ready, he copy get paste into 700 programs. That is not 700,000. It doesn't amount to 700 million. So you know. You put your money where your mouth is. Have you heard that before? Put your money where your mouth is. Aisha and a strong team. We have tested it and we have trusted it. Yes. Tested and trusted. Build a family over the years. In a genuine way. Original. Do not even pretend about it. Do not even fake around it. Just be real. Yeah. So I have a connection. No keba. I will look forward to my connection updating me that yes, now for the movement of so and so people. Or mother knock at upon na phone sim ezugo. Waja na tara sinya kirifo. Asim na ifuru onye to ke na ihu prison ya doka. Asim okay. Very good. My people are not at asim na nafuko guru no ka na ejiko na tara na ifuko loka na ezugo na ifu mama 3G na nwanya na ifuka nwanya ado na afuko nwanya anoka. I look forward to hearing such things. You people should run away from social media noise. If not for anything, it is what keeps landing you people in trouble. Ugboro one ko sisi ya aru na anya. Unewe fuzo. Ajuru nwata oguru ugburu nne ye. Osi na eju. Ajuru nwata oguru ugburu nna ye. Osi na eju. Ajuru nwata oguru ka iji n'aka. Osi na eju. Ewe juo ya. Nwamu ndu ona aguko. Is it a coincidence that Matthias didn't have any case to present? Is it a coincidence that Ijele didn't have any case to present? Instead, he denied, claiming that, no, I'm AI. So, when he gets to Oka, they are conveying an AI, a human AI to Oka. Yes, a robot. Alolalo. Onya kebu ejoka. Mbaho ka sensi echi yatalo. O deny wazie. egosigoye ịma na edebe onye ka nji wee na detention sometimes now a correctional facility. It will give you the room to reflect on life in a different way. You will have a sober reflection. So he now reflected, wherefore, not by the baby safe. Up at the baby safe. So we will sit down and see what awaits him as he journey to Oka. In 5-6 months, he has moved to Abuja, another location in Abuja, from Abuja to Nasarawa, from Nasarawa to Lagos, from Lagos to Anambra. Who knows who is waiting to move into Kano? No sino capital. Who knows who is waiting, stand by, to move him to Kano or Castina? No sino capital. See no evil, say no evil, hear no evil. These 3 laws, if you maintain it, you will forever stay out of trouble. Yeah? Do you still want me to play 1, 2, or 3, or 4 videos of the king of the game? Yes, this is empire. This has always been my fear. Not too much at all in Abuja prison. They are not in the prison in Lagos. But my fear is that scattered in the prison facilities in the southeastern, and the IPOB Juleba. Can you imagine the kind of celebration higher they went now? Emege do self or Emeka ka batara. I am mama yola manya mana imi. Owena se ha aho mi jele onye ka ewu awu Emeka ebe Emeka nnewi okay nye Ijele na iya hapu ontiri mgbe agbaghịrị ọkụ n'ụtụtụ anyị wee ma na iwu jere na ọnwa anwa achị ụtụfo n'ụtụtụ wee wụ na iwu jere ife anyị emeghị anọkọtakwa ha anụkwa ka emeghere udo akwabata Johnson from Amish Johnson na ha abata ife ya anọ n'anya tem ma n'ọnụ biko akwụkwọ so ọ bụrụ na o nwere ife ya ebujewu na prison yard ịda na-ejere iditen onwe obere ọ na-achọ ka a remind ya ebe a before ị na-aba na prison chinyechaghị enu na eti abụrọkwọnụ m ijero afamugwu Emeka na-etinye asị mkpu were anakpu ndị ahụ ejikwa ọkpọtiwara anya afụcha na ha aka ọkpọ debe buru plank debe zụcha ya n'isi dọma n'isi toilet na-eche ịghọtago na-eche 2 by 2 ka ezocha na n'isi toilet na-eche ka ọ bata. So ọ bụrụ na a na-akpọkpughu mgbe plant nyugolu na-etikwo mkpu na-acha atụsi afa ike ndị a ejikwa ọkpọtiwa ugwu n'aka ndị a ejikwa ọkpọtiwa anya mana Doris Agbalusi, I'm saying the truth now. I'm saying the truth. After the reggae plays the blues, AI, artificial intelligence, authentic AI. Now, instead of oya wiku kuchoku, it deny right. Why yeji weta okwile kweze? This is another sense. Instead of soya wo ikwu okwu kuchoku, it deny okwu ikwuru. Why na ye meshi ọnụ kwuo nke ma? I'm asking you. Runs Azoka, but I'm saying the truth. I am saying the truth. I'm saying the truth. But that truth, na bakasi nante. Ema ndeba ya like ko okwu ase. Instead of iye nyebe mkpọtụ nyecha mkpọtụ. there is always a day when you will give account of what you say. So, you cannot doubt any way that you will give account of the life you have lived here. When Ijele has started giving account of the life will be here, even without going to heaven. Don't forget, another judgment awaits him. If Ijele needs Reketa out through repentance, how I wish I can go close to him so that I can talk to him. After talking to him for 10-20 minutes, almost change of mind, a man order hardened, and know who deserve more than 190% what is happening to him. But if Ijele needs Reketa out somebody who can lecture him, who can teach him a lot of things, if I meet him, I believe his life will never remain the same. You let that go? I believe his life will never remain the same. So, as we welcome Ijele to Oka, to the capital city of Oka, the light of the nation, as we welcome Ijele to Anambra State, we don't know his port of entry. We don't know if he is coming by ship. We don't know if he is coming by air. We don't know if he is coming by road. I don't know if he's coming by Black Maria, by police hailers, na Osondo Agwike night bus. Police talk. Nyana ya no. Season the police here blue Black Maria chere na head bridge na ono Hollandia. Ayama on etidie na put moto we brie na bata. E otana ka to ye che no na aka no okpa. I don't know the port at which he is entering into Anambra State. But we will gradually welcome him back here. Yes. We will welcome him back here. I want Matthias to be the first person that will knock at the prison yard in Oka to go and see Ijele and rub mind with him. Whatever thing he may hear, Malabarone will a day of reckoning. There is a day of judgment. If you are a friend to the very dark man, if you are a friend to J Park, and you are a friend to Governor Isiagu, go and tell them that Ezugo said that after the reggae plays the blues. Go and tell them that Ezugo said no how we get go phone ke ko case. No how we get your service motor ke ko case. No how we get your wala na law a building ke ko case. Je ko no gwa ha na Ezugo sere na akpa go case akpadebe Ishi. Je ko no gwa ha na Ezugo sere that it is more honorable to allow your senses to guide you than allowing your emotion and ego to guide you. To avoid repetition of what is happening now, it can be avoided. This is my own brotherly advice to the new people that are preparing to walk down the route of Ijele. Ebe na ado nwa nwelu nnodo ka nwa na-enweghị nne na anọ wee na-amụta ife, especially the very dark man, because these two names they are coming indirectly, but the very dark man na bia direct. For example, we hear the case of online billionaire Mama 3 girls. I don't know why you keep sending me requests to join my broadcast when you know very clearly that I cannot bring you in na my broadcast. I cannot bring you in. A fall on the league of people now join on my live broadcast. My live broadcast, whether they believe in even neku or they believe in even neku, and I bring the people not against what I am saying, but intelligent ones. I don't just bring anybody into my live broadcast. So far, so good. You have not conducted yourself as one. I have so many people who are against what I am saying, yet I bring them in my broadcast to come and share their thoughts and ideas so that people will see. Let us even see if we can learn from what they are saying. So far, so good. So far, let me not say so good. You have not conducted yourself in the manner that I will bring you in my program. So, as usual, the way in the comment section can answer here. Yes. The way in the comment section can answer here. Yeah? The way in the comment section can answer here. For a long time, I avoided having one-on-one this thing with you because I shouldn't call but you keep pushing yourself and keep making yourself. I practically reduced you to nothing the other day. After that day, say no, let me leave this woman. So, for the sake of, I believe, let me see if you will. Afraid of you. I will not bring you in. Yes, I will not bring you in. Yes. Page here will ugu. That is why I'm a people suspension na page here. We look like I'm revoke all their suspension. I have done it to Guru Bolone. Yes, I have done it to Guru Bolone. Nye Guru suspension. A leave to want that suspension. You other go. Yes. So Gaba, I will not bring you in. Oh, go to another page or go to your page. I read my comment. If I can go back comment there, okay. Let me read like 10 comments on a row. Yeah. Ijele, right on, mocking Ijele. Where is that guy? Followers. Those right-on followers. Somebody who ha 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 muamu. We no longer hear about Ezawo. Shy, daddy, your soft heart is too much, but it's well. Then, can go another one. Ijele matter. Nobody is mistaken. Then, well done. Leave Ijele. Nobody is above mistake. Udele is learning in a hard way. Ezugo TV, answer my question, please. Good message. Good message. Good message. Anama go. Valentine, nothing concerning Evangelist Ebukobi again concerning Ijele because that case is almost dead now. Right on Washideke. We stand with Ijele. So, Anama go comment Keta Mama 3 girls. 0 bitters all the way. God bless you. Greetings, says Ugo. Our gospel, they enter. They will never try it. Everyone sees Christianity as weakling. Good evening, sir. Mama 3 girls. I have just read a lot of comment now. So tell me, then the last one from Bushi Irabo is Brother Ezugo. Keep up the good work. Amanda Shisrim, give them our laugh. Let me give them that laugh. So, Mama 3 girls, are you still telling me to go and read my comment? Or are you seeing another comment on your phone? Eh? I am asking you, God bless you, brother too, Bushirabo. Are you seeing another comment? Because my viewers here, I want you people to go through my comment section and tell me if I am seeing another comment more than this one enough. You got to go? Are you seeing another person? So far, so good. It is only Mama 3G, Ndi John, and the Kelo Waho Sri no Cholo Epo. Kelo Waho Sri no Cholo Epo. And that Opo also how the Nakono the Kanda Parieba Kambolo language Antioge. Hana Kokanda Pale. Also Hano. Also Hano now. You got that? So, my dear, all on the comment section. I will not even end my program. I will keep hammering. Sometimes in show can end their program. Never in a comment section. And I'm a fire. So my comment section they enjoy. Don't even talk about my comment section. There are few comment sections say yafu, though as encouraging as my own. You gotta go. So stay away from Ezugo Global TV. You don't belong here, Mama 3 girls. You don't belong here. Stay away from this page. To avoid the mad don't walk BP. To avoid the mad don't walk BP. Stay away from this page. This page will never help you. It will not mean any well to you. Or you peace. I can assure you that. Wilfred Frankel Semezugo, I have something for you. Wilfred, you always have something for me. What the Rani Mewelu can you give him well for me? Eh? Yeah? Wilfred, shall he the gift to Webu Mebu? Mama 3 girls on here, FIFA. Wilfred Franklin, yes, I have something for you. Mama 3 girls, don't worry. Wilfred, Yemifa, Pongo Kamuna, okay. 3% for you. If I was also going to bread, I cut 3% of that bread, you will eat it. Oh, na God, Jesus will open. They buy out one cut, but he did Jesus arrest. Mbaha arrest ya mataya sika gulusim na haye bido e arrest the pastors. Oh, God, get vision come. God says go they find trouble well. Matthias shall at James Bond. You want to go escape from arrest. You want to go. Papa Wumba. I'm also a police bia. Dalu we friend. Dalu, thank you very much, brother. You want to go. Have arrest here. You want to go. Emanda afubo meet body kanda. A responsible somebody will walk up to the police. Inwelu, warrant of arrest. Yes. Let me see your ID card. They go say here. Police station no see webia. Agbayi for. Then you call your lawyer. You tell somebody Brumoto so no nazo, which they later did. The last minute. You don't need to behave like a tout. You don't need to behave like a tout. Mba arrest Sharia, mba hijack here like a nobody from warehouse to Hadonampo. Gulezi Igbo came out. Na Ezugo, na very soon, na haye bido either arrested the whole Nigerian pastors. Mwese, what do you mean by very soon? When the police balloon no mba ka haye ju bido me arrest especially. Gulu, can you people start that arrest now? Don't wait for next time. Yes, don't wait for next time. So That, as usual, was a form of them crying away their sorrows. They cry all the time. Crying without making a headway. You gotta go. He who laughs last, laugh the best. We will keep laughing for as long as Uno decide no have reason. I will make my stand very clear again, in case if you understand me. I am a Christian. Number one. Number two, there will freedom of religion in Nigeria. That is number two. Number three, whatever thing ndaho Juena practice that religion, it is none of your business. Mind your business. The only thing one will in common, the only thing that affect him as much as it was here affect you, who government. Ogamadi Kobaka, good evening, sir. What government? Let us collectively hold our government accountable, because we appointed them to represent us. The money they are using is our money. The road they are supposed to do is for me and you. Security has supposed to be provided is for me and you. A lot of things, basic amenities, infrastructures is for me and you. Now, a pastor in Asho, 1,080,000,000 the Zion branch, America, Wotalo. It is their money from their personal pocket. It is not your government money. It is not our collective resources. It is their personal money. They decided to bring it out and give it to whoever they want to give it to. Why are you having headache? In Olivoye Nwoptale Gona, but Jegolu, how is it your business? Exactly. Like, why will you bother about me buying olive oil, but you will not care about a politician taking money from your own money to go and buy bulletproof car? Why? Why will you be bothered about pastors preaching to you about healing, going abroad to go and take treatment, but you are not bothered about your politicians who has your money to build quality hospitals for you here, but they go to Obodo to go and take treatment? It's a need, okay. Examine go away of Fuma. If you only with or need sense. Do you think that need make sense? I am asking you. Let me be blunt about it. Why will Ejike moment of truth, Ejike moment of lies, Ejike moment of deceit, why will Ejike be so much concerned about pastors, according to him, who preach about healing, but when they are sick, they go to Obodo for treatment? Why should Ejike be bothered about a pastor who sell olive oil and holy water, but he goes to Obodo to go and take treatment? But Ejike is not bothered about a sitting governor, about a senator, about a House of Rep member, about a president who is entrusted with your own money to provide the best hospital as supposed to be provided anywhere in the world, in this country, jumping in a private jet to go to Obodo to go and take treatment. Why are they not bothered about that? Agobandes, I greet you. Barry White, thank you very much. Ume Shinyaka, Dalu. Why are they not bothered? Then you will tell me that they are making their so-called sense. Oga, your hatred for Christianity, your antichrist cannot affect me. Your belief system cannot be the same as me. It is personal. What you perceive to be the best for you, to be the best religious practice for you, is strictly for you. You cannot bring it to me. I have chosen my stand, and I have chosen to stand where I stand. No leave, no transfer. If you like, talk from today till tomorrow. you are wasting your saliva. You cannot even make any change. I am telling you, you cannot make any change. Rather, I will tell you that you can make a change if you decide to engage your government. For example, NSAS protest brought about the end of SARS in Nigeria. Yeah? Are you telling me that Germany that no churches develop with Germany? I'm asking you, is it churches that develop Germany? Since you know that no government develop Germany, since you know that all those basic amenities, all those infrastructural development in Germany, that no government may or do in place, why can't you turn against the government here? Who are you afraid of? Who are you scared of? I am asking you. Who are you scared of? A pastor nor on a private jet? A bar? Are you aware that in the presidential fleet alone, are you aware that in the presidential fleet alone, that we have close to 10 private jets in the presidential fleet and about 4 in the vice presidential fleet? Are you aware? Are you aware that recently another private jet too was ordered? Are you aware? You are not bothered. You are not bothered. Wait, you will see what Zion, American branch, will do in these 3 days ending of 100 days fasting. Oh no, 1 billion, 80 million last time. This time around, Figo no ya no ya kupo nala. Figo ono ya no ya kupo nala. This time around, ala ya bandala. Why are you bothered? Why are you bothered that na Pastor Adeboye or na Evangelist Ebukobi, the mobile policeman, will aga? But you are not bothered that the man who is in charge with providing security in this country is moving with a whole battalion of mobile police. Look, let me tell you, President Hakainde Hichilema of Zambia a move with anything more than 20 mobile policemen. Sometimes, even about 15 policemen will aga, equivalent to what a businessman moves with here. Yes. Have you ever seen where people like Attire Hanaga, some of them move like 10, 15, 20 to 30 mobile policemen? If I know back after the encounter, do you know that at every given time there are 40 mobile policemen staying permanently in Ifa Yoba's residence before he died? Do you know after that attack? Do you know that Ifa Yoba has over 40 policemen who are stationed in his house? No leave, no transfer. I'm not even talking about Ndene Soya Pwapo. But I'm telling you, whether or not, are you not bothered? You are not bothered. You see? Obluna President Hakainde Hichilema he just somewhere. He doesn't even move with more than 7 vehicles. He doesn't even move with more than 7 vehicles, for God's sake. Among those 7 vehicles, an ambulance is so there. He doesn't move. Even a clear also. Riders now they clear also. Policemen na junction. Emuno kebuwe. Actually, this phone clearing traffic. Nobody close the road. Nobody. Only traffic light in Kenny. A signal go. Apogo onye no na nka. Or stop wonder. Or buffet na nka. Upon deni. Etu apoye sigagito. Where born eje. Aya inconvenience anybody for more than 1 minute or 2 minutes. Oga fike born aga. patrol vehicle na-eso ya aga aha akali 4. So what does that show you? Sometimes he moves with about 15 policemen. Vice president wo ofu power bike na ya no niru messages here and all like this. If you see for the kebe 2 motor of the security, he say that is what you see. Are you not bothered that the man who is the commander-in-chief of armed forces here moves with more than 70 policemen at the same time? Are you not bothered? He is the commander-in-chief of the armed forces. He is the one in charge of security in this country. Are you not bothered that the chief of army staff here move with nothing less than 40 army men with a bulletproof vehicle? Same thing with the commissioner of police, inspector general of police. Are you not bothered about that? Why are you bothered with pastors moving with security men? Why are you bothered with pastors flying on private jets? Why are you bothered about pastors this, pastors that? I will ask you, are you looking for your money? Are you looking for your money? I can sleep today and wake up tomorrow and decide to take 1 million TN envelope of church. Just so see it to any pastor. It is none of your business. It is my money. It is my money. Oluhego the mother JJ Brite. Oluhego people JJ Agwu Ipopo Isiagu. Oluhego the mother JJ Ebunu. Nando tuye Jesu kerukwana. Edetikwa aho. Yes. Upon niye wolego go ebunu go efi go ife niile eji gwogwu irukwa eba estem kwa ahu tetie ga ahu terekwa na dirty and smelling environment. Oluhego ndị mmadụ ji eje emeye. Oluhego ndị mmadụ ji eje emeye. Yes. If I spend my money to buy olive oil, it's none of your business. It's none of your business. Ego olive oil ahụ eluhego unu ji agba afa. Ego olive oil ahụ oluhego unu ji eje agba afa. Fọdụ n'ime unu na-eji na-eji ego dụka 20,000 wee je gba afa, 10,000, 15,000 wee je gba afa. Ego ahụ ji gota holy water. Eluhego unu ji eje ego ọkụkọ apụke, egwu gbachiri ọkpa, ọkpa na ofu anya kpọrọ, atụ darụ n'elu, egbofekatara n'ukwu gbachie. Maka anyị amalụ ma chụọ ofe ife. So na ya achọ ijiji amụrụ ụbọchị Monde. So na ya achọ ngwere amụrụ last 5 minutes. Na ya achọta mba agụ. Chọta ofu okoriko njina. Na njina ahụ ya wụ njina anyarị. Oluhego unu ji eme. N'ihi ewota akwụ ugwu. N'ihi ewota akwụ egbe. Oluhego unu ji eje egwe. Yes. Oluhego unu ji eje egwe. Ọbịa oluhego iji aṅụ nkwụ. Oluhego iji aṅụ nkwụ. Oluhego iji agba bet. Oluhego iji eje ebu nwaanyị. Oluhego iji eju na akwụna. Oluhego ana m ajụ n'oge ajụjụ. Oluhego iji agba flight from East ebe a jee Lagos jee chụọ nwaanyị natakwa. Oluhego ị na-enye nwunye mmadụ. Oluhego njeje ebu nwunye mmadụ. Oluhego ji ebugharị nwunye mmadụ na first park amụwo and ago. Oluhego unu ji eje ebugharị ụmụazị nọ na skuul emebisi ha. Oluhego ana m ajụ ụnụ anya ego sara traffic oil ma o wee go that holy water unu. Oluhego unu ji eme ife niile. Oluhe wuyo mana ihe ezu ike. Ihe ezu ike. Ihe ezu ike. Bit by bit ka ihe ada agba ya ụlọ ọgwụ. Enyego m ụlọ information. I will mmemechi program. Antioge sorry amadụ m na ọrị ife Arisa Travels dere ebe a ka m ji wee malụ n'ịnọ program mbụ. I will end the program now. I think I've said all I needed to say. Ndị chọrọ ife Ijele, you people should line up chịkọsịa n'onwe ụlọ ọnụ na-ejelu in groups ka unu wee nye reason to be strong na-ejelu in groups ịghọtago onwe ife gbagwojuru ụlọ anya n'ọka kpọọ na uche na egwu atụ he will guide you people on how to go about it ịghọtago onwe ife gbagwojuru ụlọ anya kpọọ na uche na egwu atụ he will guide you people on how to go about it na-ejelu in groups a sị na anyụkọsịa mamịrị ọnụ ọgbọ ụfụfụ we stand with you we want to see it happen ịghọtago ọ ya arịfọ ndụkwa ego ahụ ebuka obi kwuru ọ na mfụkọ ka m mesi kpọda adị ma akpụkpọ daadị igbe na ego ahụ weta anaghị arịfọ ndụkwo nya ụrụ ya atụkọkọ ego mana what are Christians known for anyway if not for some of this benevolence attitude if not for some of this what are we known for we have proven again what we are known for ịghọtago we are not vindictive in nature we are not bitter in nature so evangelist Ebuka Obi once again has proven what it takes to be a true Christian. He has proven what it takes to be a good Christian. He has proven that yes, he has shown what love is all about. We need to appreciate him for that. Let us appreciate him for that. In the spirit of 3 days, Ishi 100 days fasting. Ijele is the first person with testimony. Ijele should be the first person to testify in this 3 days Imeshi 100 days fasting. This fasting, Ijele was the first person yenye testimony about the goodness of God in Ebono. Yes, testimony you have to go to that shop. Because few days to the day he was released. The first testimony. Although any chance to come and stand personally and share that testimony. So as we await to see as many of you that will be rushing to correctional facility to come and see Ijele, we will also be here to update you people as the new appointed minister for information. Ndomanjeba, Ndomanjaba, so Ijele have to go from Lagos prison. Again. So Keta on us Nakandos. So I am more one day Osukweba Potakwa Kaparwayaka. A go Ulupino to show on. Use your brain more than you use your mouth. Think more than you talk. Be wise. Let your wisdom guide you. Wisdom is profitable to direct. Wisdom is profitable to direct. So we look forward to what is going to happen. We have to quench the anger of God. Because many people will still cry if they don't learn from other people's experience. I love you all. I love you all. Ndenjaba, ndemejire egwu. Kam keshie yeba. Ngo Nelson Ume wish response. Okay. See you people. Kabani amala imba. Kachivonu.